Today's Joe Show is sponsored by Chulani Promotional Products. Hi, I'm Joe Haley. You're watching The Joe Show. Check out today's first product. Love the industry's offering of socks. It gets bigger and bigger each year. We got some vibrant, colorful socks here. I'll show you the back. This is the underneath side. This is your sole, and you've got your heel and your toe. They're reinforced black. That's the woman's version. There's a men's version right here. Same, beautiful, vibrant colors on there. We've got the same foot as well. Socks are great in a number of different campaigns. It could be for sports clubs, schools, business. You want to add them to a uniform. That's a great idea. You can put your logo on there, your company information on there. And what I love about the women's size and the men's size is that you're going to get the right size as you want. A woman's not going to have to wear a small men's size. All right, show you this next product here. I'll hold this out like this, and this is actually rolling paper. So we can open this up and we can take one out. So if we need to roll a marijuana cigarette, we have the papers to do it. This is great for the marijuana industry. We know that it's being decriminalized and it's being allowed for medicinal uses. Some states, some cities are allowing it for recreational uses, and rolling papers is a great way to market to that industry. You can print all sides of this, so if you're a dispensary and people are coming to buy it, you can give this as a gift with purchase. Or if you deal with that industry, maybe you offer hydroponic supplies and that's how it's being grown, you can put your information on here and give it to those dealers. All right, show this next product. It's a stainless steel tumbler, 20 ounces. We've got a sliding lid here so we can drink from it and close it back up to keep all that nice hotness in there. What I love about this is this copper color. I mean, it really bounces here. So if you're using tumblers for any variety of promotions, for any variety of companies, any corporation can give these as a gift for their employees. Any coffee shop can use these as a loyalty program product that you come back and use our mug. We're going to give you 25 cents off of each purchase of coffee. And you know what? For President's Day, what a fun idea. It calls copper. I think of pennies. I think of Lincoln. I think of President's Day. All right. Next product, we've got a book-bound journal. Here we got a leatherette type cover, D-Boss logo. Inside, I'll open it up, and we've got plenty of lined pages here, so it's great for taking notes. If you're in a journaling club, if you offer a journaling workshop, or you're looking for something to give attendees or people who take that class, this is a great idea with the journaling information right there. People can actually journal in this. It makes a great gift for employees when they come into work. They can keep notes in this, or they can journal about their day as well. And also is perfect for schools to give to all students. Now, as we get closer to the summer, we get closer to pool season and beach season, I want to show you this towel. I'm going to open up a little here, Kaylee, so bear with me, and I'm going to step back. Open this up. You'll see great striped towel here. We got some great graphics there. You can see really popping off this, very colorful, sizable as well. This is great for pool promotions, for swim clubs to give out to people who buy memberships. It can be for those swim teams. It could be for beach promotions. If you live in a resort town and you have beaches there and you sell or you rent chairs and umbrellas, why not offer towels as well as something that someone could rent for the day? Now we have some products from today's Joe Show sponsor, Chulani. We'll start with our first board here. We've got novelty pens, and the novelty pens, down that left-hand column, we've got our missile or bomb pen for promotions that are the bomb. Beneath that, we've got our alligator, or is it a crocodile? And silver and green, great for reptile houses and zoos. That middle column is for our aeronautics industry. Up top, we've got the plane, the wings open up, the landing gear detracts, and it could be for anyone in the aeronautics industry, also travel industry. We've got the space shuttle pen below. Again, this is great for aeronautics, space travel, museums. And on the left-hand column, the right-hand column, I'm sorry, are the cars with the spinning wheels, the doors that open, the pullback action. Great for anyone in the automotive industry. Now I want to show you some office pens here. Are great if you ever use pens for any reason whatsoever, whether it's a school, it's a business, your bank, your doctor's office. Here's some great ideas. All of these pens have a stylus end on it, and they're great because you can operate your cell phone, you can operate your tablet with that, and if you go to a kiosk where you have to use a touch screen, you don't want to touch it, especially during cold and flu season, you can use this stylus here. You got a bunch of comfort grips that match, some of them match the color of the stylus on the end, and this one that I'm pointing to right here, the bottom of the right-hand column, you've got a screwdriver in there, and you've got you have the stylus on both ends. So if you're using pens and promotions, you're looking for something new and different, something here should probably fit that bill. All right, well, that's all the time we had today. Thanks a lot for watching. This is ASI TV.